Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights on the products that matter most to you. Today, we're talking about one of the finest baby care products on the market, the best HiPP Combiotik baby formula. If you're a parent looking for a high-quality, organic formula for your baby, then this is definitely a product you'll want to know about. HiPP Combiotik is renowned for its organic ingredients and its commitment to providing a balanced, gentle, and nutritionally complete formula for your little one. Whether you're transitioning from breast milk or looking for a formula that meets the specific dietary needs of your baby, HiPP Combiotik delivers on all fronts. The formula is made with high-quality organic milk sourced from farms that follow the strictest guidelines for organic farming practices. This means no artificial pesticides, herbicides, or genetically modified organisms, just pure, natural nutrition for your child. What sets HiPP Combiotik apart from other formulas is its unique combination of probiotics and prebiotics. These beneficial bacteria help support your baby's digestive system, which is still developing during their early months. The addition of these probiotics also works to promote a healthy immune system, which is critical in those early stages of life. Plus, it contains DHA and ERA, which are essential fatty acids known to support brain and eye development. Another reason why HiPP Combiotik is loved by parents is because it's suitable for babies with sensitive tummies. The formula is gentle, reducing the chances of common digestive issues like constipation or colic, making it a great option for babies who need a bit of extra care. It's also free from gluten, and the milk used is non-GMO, making it a safe choice for your little one. The formula is easy to prepare, just mix with water, and it's ready to go. It's designed to closely resemble the natural composition of breast milk, which means it's easy for your baby to digest and provides all the essential nutrients they need to thrive. Each serving offers a balanced combination of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins, ensuring your baby gets the right amount of energy and nutrients. Parents love that HiPP Combiotik is a product they can trust, knowing it meets high safety standards. It's produced in Germany under the strictest quality controls, ensuring that every batch is safe and effective. Whether you're at home, on the go, or preparing for travel, this formula ensures your baby gets the best nutrition in every situation. To sum up, if you're searching for a premium, organic baby formula that supports your baby's digestion, immune system, and overall development, HiPP Combiotik baby formula is the perfect choice. It's a safe, natural, and effective way to ensure your little one gets the very best start in life. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you in the next video.